Hey, good morning, good evening, everyone. Welcome. Today we are going to review the book, The Winning the War in Your Mind, written by Craig. Let's get started. First point, your thoughts shape your life. Thoughts lead to beliefs, beliefs influence the behavior. You can't live a positive life with a negative mind. Next point, identify the lies. What's the strongest lie holding you back? Common lies people talk to themselves, such as, I will never change, I am not good enough. Recognizing the lie is the first step to replace them. I'm not good enough is generally a common lie that people tell to themselves. Next point, replace with truth. Speak truth daily. Truth rewrites the brain. Example, I'm not a prisoner of my thoughts is one of the truths that you can tell to yourself. Next point, neural pathways and patterns. Thoughts create patterns. Repetition strengthens them. You must break the loop to form a new one. That's how powerful your thoughts are. So be careful what you think. Declare, believe, and repeat. Write your declarations. Speak them aloud daily. Faith grows through repetition. The next point, win with gratitude. Gratitude rewrites your mindset. Choose peace over panic. Choose truth over lies. A calm mind breaks anxiety. Truth sets you free from fear. And the final takeaway, break the lie, rewrite your mind. This is the book review of Winning the War in Your Mind. Thanks for tuning in. See you in my next book review. Bye.